Hello, and welcome to Speak American English with Lyman Holton. My name is Lyman Holton. In this lesson, we're going to talk about another American English phrase. Are you ready? Let's begin. Wind up. The verbal phrase wind up is usually used when we talk about the end of or the result of an action. The past tense for wind up is wound up. As in, after I had worked so hard, I only wound up with an extra $20. As an additional note, the verbal phrase end up can be used the same as wind up. Here are a few examples of how to use wind up in sentences. If I follow your business plan, I'll wind up broke by the end of the year. We've been advertising like crazy. I think we're going to wind up with a lot more sales this month.
Wow!
I worked at that factory for 40 years and wound up with nothing but a backache.
Oh.
My poor sister shopped for 12 hours last Saturday and wound up with only half the presents she needed to buy. My brother started at the very bottom of his company and eventually wound up as the CEO. What are you thinking? If you keep eating and drinking like this every day, you're going to wind up ruining your health. In our next lesson, we'll cover another American English phrase. Goodbye for now.